India is an active member of which international group that helps build its global presence? A. BRICS. B. African Union. C. ASEAN. D. G7. The correct answer is A. BRICS. What does a traditional market typically involve? A. A single buyer and seller. B. Transactions without money. C. A crowded place with shops and consumers. D. Only sellers offering services. The correct answer is C. A crowded place with shops and consumers. Which printing method was used for this book? A. Digital printing. B. Offset printing. C. Letterpress. D. Screen printing. The correct answer is B. Offset printing. How are industries classified? A. Based on location and size. B. Based on raw materials, capital, and ownership. C. Based on output and demand. D. Based on age and profit. The correct answer is B. Based on raw materials, capital, and ownership. Which governmental body's powers and functions are a learning objective in Unit I? A. The President. B. The Governor. C. The Prime Minister. D. The Chief Justice. The correct answer is B. The Governor. What happens if the Speaker is absent during assembly meetings? A. The Chief Minister takes over. B. The meetings are postponed. C. The Deputy Speaker conducts the meetings. D. The Governor presides. The correct answer is C. The Deputy Speaker conducts the meetings. What is the role of the President and ward members in a village panchayat? A. To be elected by the people. B. To administer national policies. C. To manage international relations. D. To represent the state government. The correct answer is A. To be elected by the people. With which authority can an appeal be filed if a reply regarding a provident fund is not received within 30 days? A. District Magistrate. B. Labour Court. C. Appellate Authority. D. High Court. The correct answer is C. Appellate Authority. Which type of traffic signs are also known as regulatory signs? A. Mandatory signs. B. None of these. C. Informatory signs. D. Cautionary signs. The correct answer is A. Mandatory signs. What type of government is headed by a priest ruling in the name of God? A. Theocracy. B. Constitutional monarchy. C. Democracy. D. Republic. The correct answer is A. Theocracy. What is India sometimes referred to as, besides a subcontinent? A. Land of classical dances. B. Land of unity in diversity. C. Land of many languages. D. Land of festivals. The correct answer is B. Land of unity in diversity. Which of these is not explicitly mentioned as a state government employee in the text? A. Policemen. B. Mayors. C. Tehsildars. D. Collectors. The correct answer is B. Mayors. Where were the river dolphins watched from? A. The hill. B. The shore. C. A boat. D. The vehicle. The correct answer is A. A hill. Which system is characterized by two parties running? A. Federal system. B. Biparty system. C. Single party system. D. Multi-party system. The correct answer is B. Biparty system. Which document outlines how a country is ruled? A. A charter. B. A constitution. C. A treaty. D. A manifesto. The correct answer is B. A constitution. What happens to the likelihood of an accident when speed is higher? A. It increases. B. It becomes unpredictable. C. It decreases. D. It remains the same. The correct answer is A. It increases. What is binding on all courts within the territory of India? A. The laws passed by the Parliament. B. The law declared by Supreme Court. C. The ordinances issued by the Governor. D. The executive orders issued by the President. The correct answer is B. The law declared by Supreme Court. Who holds the power in a system where power is vested in the hands of the people? A. The military. B. The government. C. The judiciary. D. The people. The correct answer is D. The people. Which of the following is not a characteristic of human rights? A. Vary greatly from country to country. B. Regardless of gender. C. Universal in all countries. D. Regardless of race. The correct answer is A. Vary greatly from country to country. What is a landmass example requested for? A. Bay. B. Strait. C. Island. D. Ocean. The correct answer is C. Island. What did Mandela and their clerks' efforts aim to end? A. Colonialism. B. Apartheid. C. Economic sanctions. D. Civil unrest. The correct answer is B. Apartheid. What action should you take if you encounter a road accident and do not panic? A. Drive away immediately. B. Wait for someone else to arrive. C. Attempt to move the victims yourself. D. Call 108 for help and 103. The correct answer is D. Call 108 for help and 103. What type of device has sensors to detect vehicle speed and restrict air-fuel flow? A. Anti-lock braking system. B. GPS tracker. C. Cruise control. D. Speed gunner. The correct answer is D. Speed gunner. Who, along with others, worked to ensure women achieved equal status? A. Bal Gangadhar Tilak. B. Dayanand Saraswati. C. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. D. Lala Lajpat Rai. The correct answer is B. Dayanand Saraswati. How old is the concept of local self-government in India? A. Recent. B. Very old. C. New. D. A modern. The correct answer is B. Very old. Which country's space launch pads are utilized by ISRO? A. French. B. US. C. Japan. D. India. The correct answer is A. French. What is the primary subject Yaj is preparing for? A. Animated television series. B. History. C. Science. D. Volume class test. The correct answer is D. Volume class test. Which country is associated with Jonko Tabe? A. United States. B. Sri Lanka. C. Japan. D. USSR. The correct answer is C. Japan. What term describes a sovereign state governed as a single entity? A. Multi-party system. B. Unitary system. C. Confederation. D. Federal system. The correct answer is B. Unitary system. What is the term of office for members of the Rajya Sabha? A. 10 years. B. 5 years. C. 6 years. D. 2 years. The correct answer is C. 6 years. How did you score?